What's up, guys? It's Meaty Mike. My name's Mike and I love meat. Fire up your smokers because today we're cooking up some Cajun Gator Filets. Let's do it. Shoot 'em, Elizabeth! Shoot 'em! Name that TV show, I'll give you 20 bucks. It's Swamp People. 20 bucks for me. That's a good show. We have ourselves some alligator fillets. So these fillets are some nice white lean meat. There's a little bit of dark meat mixed in. Throw it on our grill grate. We'll put some of the bigger chunks on our skewers. A lot of people will say that gator tastes a lot like chicken, but it's also a little bit fishy, comparable to swordfish. My non-expert opinion. So we're gonna get some of our thicker chunks and put them on these skewers. Alright, so I got my fillets laid out on my grill grate. Here's some of the thicker chunks of the dark meat and some of the white meat on the skewers. Now I got some homemade Cajun seasoning. You can use any store-bought Cajun seasoning or your choice of rub, but we're gonna go heavy on the Cajun. I'm just dumping it all on our chunks and our fillets. If you have a big bowl, go ahead and just toss them in there and shake them up, but I'm going to rub it. I like to rub it all in. We're giving tender loving care to each piece. Alright, so that's looking pretty good. Really simple to get alligator fillets prepped for your smoker. Not a lot to it. Take them out of the package, brine them overnight, salt, water, brown sugar. Take them out the next day, pat them dry, put your Cajun seasoning on it. That's it. Let's go pop these in the smoker. So for these gator fillets, we're using the Po Man grill. Let's get it fired up. We got our fuel cup of rubbing alcohol. Get her lit. Get your charcoal box filled. Placing this right over fuel cup. All right, so our charcoal's ready to go. Get some wood chunks. I got some hickory here. Place them over your charcoal. So we got our gator. Pop your rack in. Put your skewers right on top. All right, so I got my Inkbird in here. I got my Po Man just shy of 275. So keep it in between 250 and 275 for this smoke. It won't take long, between a half hour and an hour. These gator fillets are pretty thin. If you have thicker cuts, it might take a little bit longer. So we're gonna let our Po Man grill roll. We'll pull these gator fillets out and we'll eat. So we just pulled our gator fillets off of our Po Man grill. Got a little messy in the process, but that's okay. It's what it's all about. These gator fillets look awesome. So we pulled these off right at about 45 minutes at 275 with some hickory wood chunks. These are beautiful. They're perfect. Those are mighty tasty. Man, that Cajun seasoning on these gator fillets, that's good. When you smoke these fillets, it does keep a little bit more of that fishy element that the gator has, as opposed to frying them. Usually, you get gator chunks and you fry them, but when you smoke them, it keeps more of that flavor in there. And also, if you got to dip gator fillets, right, in something, I just got some mayo, brown sugar, and honey, a little sweet and spicy with the Cajun seasoning. Oh yeah, that's really good. I can't stop eating it. What am I supposed to do? Man, these gator fillets, go put them on your smoker with some Cajun seasoning, dude. Oh, I just said dude. I never say dude. These Cajun gator fillets, go put them in your smoker. You can do them in an electric smoker. I did them on my Po Man grill, some hickory chunks. You got some good spiciness with that seasoning, a good sweet dip with that honey and mayo to dip them in. Very tasty snack. Go put them in your smoker. Let me know how they turn out. Stay tuned for the next video.